I'm Teacher Katie. Welcome. This is the Preschool Project. We're going to be working on the letter H. H makes the sound Can you make the sound Nice job. Some words that start like that are hot dog and hot and house and horse, and I bet you can come up with a few more. We're going to work on writing our letter H. It's nice and simple, and I love the letter H. First, we're going to start out with our little star. So I have my little star on the left side of my paper and my little moon on the right. This is to help with rights and lefts, so if your grown-up can draw those really quick, remember you always want to start your letters at the top. This is going to be a nice simple letter. H's are fabulous. I'm going to start right here on my star side, so here we go. We're going to go down the ladder because we always started at the top. Nice job. And then I'm going to make a little road. Very nice. Well, my little road went a little crazy. Even teachers make mistakes, which is okay. Here we go, a little less crazy. And then we're gonna just go down the ladder again. So here we go, down the ladder, little road, down the ladder. And we'll do it again, down the ladder, little road, down the ladder. So H is super easy, super fun, and you can go around looking for other H words, which is really cool. If you want to work on this letter, you are welcome to use a whiteboard. You can use paper, you can use a chalkboard, you can do chalk outside. You can also get like shaving cream and write the letter in shaving cream. There is a whole bunch of ways to make this letter. So hopefully you have fun making lots of H's and have a really fun week. All right, see y'all later. Bye.